How to fade to black and white in Davinci Resolve. Make sure the playhead is above your video and go to the color page. Here click on color wheels and keyframes to open them. Move the playhead to the start of your video and click on the keyframe next to corrector to add a starting keyframe. Now right-click on empty space and click on Add Dynamic Keyframe. Then move the playhead to where you want the video to completely be black and white. And decrease saturation all the way down. Move the playhead to where you want to start colorize the video. Right-click again and add another dynamic keyframe. Move the playhead to where you want the video to be colorized. And set saturation to 50. And now we have a fade to black and white effect. To change the transition duration, change the distance between keyframes. Now if I go back to the edit page, I have my effect. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.